On this one is going to be most consumers have a very poor opinion of used car warranties provided by dealers, and for good reason. Most of them suck.
Yeah.
In New Jersey, by law, in fact. All right, this time we're going to talk about the limited warranties that come with MotorTrend Certified vehicles, and we're going to talk about them because it's important that your customer understand the quality of the warranties that come with a MotorTrend Certified vehicle. Now, why is it important for them to understand the quality? Because most consumers have a very poor opinion of warranties provided by dealers on used cars, and for good reason. For example, in some states, the state requires the dealer to provide a warranty to a customer. One state in particular where we've worked in, if the vehicle is 5 years old or newer, had 80,000 miles or less, by law, the dealer has to provide a warranty. Well, you can imagine what type of warranties the dealers are providing. Most of them were 1 month, 1,000 miles, internally lubricated parts only, no seals, no gaskets, no taxes, no fluids, and most of them were 50% deductibles. So if something actually did break that was covered, which was unlikely, the customer was still going to get stuck with a huge repair bill. And again, most of the things that break aren't covered. So this customer is going to question the quality of the warranty, as quite frankly, most of them will. If not out loud, they'll be questioning it right here, which is why it's so important that you go through the warranty and let them know what's covered. All right, so you will get a 6-month, 7,500-mile warranty with this vehicle.
Hey, that's great. Like, I've had these in the past. They're usually limited. They don't cover anything. Last car I had issues with it, and then I end up having to pay the bill. So, I mean, that sounds great, but, you know, in my experience, nothing's ever covered.
I understand, and I'm sorry you've had that experience, but you and a million other people, if not more, have had the same experience. Most warranties provided by dealers on used cars have very limited coverage, and they're not, and even the limited coverage doesn't cover much for very long. Most of them are 1 month, 1,000 miles, sometimes 2 months, 2,000 miles, usually internally lubricated parts of the powertrain only, no taxes, no fluids, no seals, no gaskets.
Right.
By the way, the most likely thing to fail on a powertrain would be a seal or a gasket, and those are expensive repairs. So lots of people have had very bad experiences. This warranty is different, okay? As you can see, everything here is covered. Is the powertrain covered? Absolutely yes. How about taxes and fluids? Yes. Seals and gaskets? Yes. Cooling system, heating, air conditioning, front suspension, rear suspension, steering, braking system, front suspension, rear suspension, the electrical system, and the high-tech convenience options. Things that are likely to break, power window motors, power seat motors, things like that. They're all covered. And by the way, this warranty is good anywhere at any authorized service facility, which means the service facility has actually got ASC certified technicians in the United States or Canada. It's subject to a very small $100 deductible, and when you need service, if you can't get back here, we will pay the service facility directly wherever you are, so no more than $100 comes out of your pocket. So, again, good anywhere in the U.S. or Canada, at any authorized service facility, small deductible, massive coverage. Okay?
Okay, yeah, it's a lot different than what I've seen before.
Okay.